Hello students, we are going to study about cross multiplication method. So we have studied basically the two methods, which is basically first is by substitution method or elimination method. These were the ways by which we were able to solve simultaneous linear equation. And simultaneous linear equation is basically the equation which we are dealing in two variables, which is having two variables. That equation is known as simultaneous linear equation. So we are going to study about how to solve simultaneous linear equation using cross multiplication. So we are going to study with respect to cross multiplication method. So this is the third method by which we are able to solve. So for this we will be taking two equations, simultaneous equation means equation in the terms of two variables, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. See, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So these are the two equations. This is one equation, first equation, this is second equation. And why I am saying simultaneous linear equation? Because two variables are there, x and y. That's why it is known as linear equation and simultaneous, because we will be needing two variables means two equations will be needing. So for solving this, we will be taking the coefficient. First we will be taking from b1. We will be starting with b1 and b2. Then c1, c2. Then a1, a2. And then next one is b1 and b2. So these are the way I am writing. First I am writing from here. So this is, then I am writing c1 and c2. Then I am writing a1, a2. Then I am writing b1, b2 again. So the way is that if I am representing with down arrow means it is plus sign. And if I am representing with plus up arrow means minus sign. So again if I will be taking this is plus and this is minus. This is plus and this is minus. See, this is one cross multiplication, this is another cross multiplication, and this is another cross multiplication. So I will be writing x by b1 into c2. b1 into c2. I told this is plus, down arrow means plus, and minus b2 c1. Top arrow means minus sign. Then y by c1 into a2. c1 a2 minus top arrow means c2 a1. This is minus sign. Now the variable part 1 by a1 into b2. a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. So this is the last part. So this is basically last part. So in this, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we'll be looking and solving to solve exercise, question of exercise 5.3, question number 1, bit 1. So 1 bit 1 we are going to solve. So in 1 bit 1 it is given 3x plus 2y equal to 4. This is given to us 3x plus 2y equal to 4, and 8x plus 5y equal to 9. So this is given to us. Now we have to solve using simultaneous linear equation by cross multiplication method. So in this method, I told that I will be starting from here. First of all, you take 3x plus 2y, the constant term on the left side, 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. I am taking right side term to the left side, constant term to the left side. Now I will be taking the terms. Coefficient I will be starting from here, 2 and 5, and then minus 4 and minus 9, and the next term is 8, 3 and 8, and once again I will be writing 2 and 5. So it is being recorded. So from here, this is down arrow, this is top arrow, this is down arrow, this is top arrow, this is down, and this is top. So we are solving it by cross multiplication. So first of all, I will be writing x by 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9. Then I have to put here minus sign. I told that for top arrow means minus sign. Then 5 into minus 4. Then y by minus 4 into 8. Into 8. And then minus of minus 9 into 3. This is one of the term. And then 1 by this term. 3 cross multiplication signs are here. One here, and one here. 1 by 3 into 5. Then minus sign I have to put 8 into minus 8 into 2. So from here we are getting 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. And minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20. So minus 18 plus 20. And from here we are getting y minus 32. And from here we are getting minus plus 27. And from here we are getting 3 5s are 15 and minus 16. 15 minus 16. So we are getting x by minus 2. If we will be calculating 20 by x by 2. 20 minus 18 is 2. And y by minus 5. And x 1 by minus 1. 15 minus 16 is minus 1. Because sign of 16 is minus. So x will be getting equal to 2. We have to compare with this. 2 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. And y will be getting is equal to minus 5 by minus 1, means we will be evaluating with respect to this. So we are getting 5. So this is the value we are getting. So this is question number 1 bit 1. Now we will be solving question number 2 bit 1. Okay. Now we are going to discuss question number 2 bit 1. In this it is given x minus y is equal to a plus b and ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square. This term is constant. A plus b is entire the third term, means in the previous case it was 5 and now it is a plus b it is given. I will be taking this entire term to left side. A plus b, I am writing like this, equal to 0, and ax plus by minus of a square minus b square. I am taking this entire term to left side in both the cases. And by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means I will be taking first these two terms. Here it is given minus 1, b coefficient is minus 1, and here it is b. And here it is minus of a plus b, and here it is minus of a square minus b square. And here it is 1 and 8. And next term is minus 1 and b again. So again I will be taking from here, down arrow means plus, top arrow means minus. Down arrow plus, top arrow minus. Down arrow plus, top arrow minus. So I will be writing here x by cross multiplication. Minus 1 into minus. So this will minus 1 into a square minus b square. This minus is also there. A square minus b square. Then minus of minus will become plus. This will become plus. This is a plus b and into b. And this is again y by a into minus of a plus b, and again 1 into minus of a square minus b square. I told that when I will be taking to left side top, and this is minus 1 and 1 into minus of a square minus b square. And again the third term is 1 into b, 1 into b, and here it is a into minus 1, minus of a into minus 1. Minus will become plus. So from here we are getting x by minus will become plus, a square minus b square, and here it is b into a is ab, and here it is b square. So b square and minus b square is getting cancelled, and from here we are getting y by a into minus a is minus a square, a into minus b is minus ab. So this term we are getting, and minus 1 into minus will become plus. So this is becoming plus, and a square minus of b square. Minus minus will become plus. So this is we are getting from here, and from here b and minus minus will become plus, means a minus a into minus 1 will become plus. So from here we are getting x by a will be common, and we are getting a plus b. Again from here we are getting y by this a square, and this minus a square will get cancelled. So this will be, we are left with minus, we can take as common, b as common. So left with a plus b, and again the third term which is a plus b. A plus b will be cancelled, all the terms we are having a plus b, so we can directly cancel. So we will be left with x by a equal to 1, means x is equal to a, and y by minus b equal to 1, y is equal to minus b. So this is the answer of this question. So this is question number 2, bit 1. So we have completed this exercise. So you have to try the remaining questions, and if you are facing any doubt, then you can ask us in the next class. Okay, thank you.